Hello everyone, my name is Adiyemo Kende, and in this video I'll be showing you how to invest on your Opay account. Of course, if you have been looking for how to make money using your normal Opay bank account, then this video is actually for you. So in this video I'll be taking you through how to make money, how to invest your money and make good profit using your Opay account. So the first thing you're going to do is let's go to Play Store and download Opay if you don't have Opay account. So just go to Play Store and download Opay. If you already have your Opay account, then you don't actually need to do this. So then after you downloaded your account, the next thing is to open your Opay account. So and this is what your dashboard looks like. And Opay is actually one of the top leading mobile banking in Africa presently. It is licensed by CBN and is also insured by the NDCI. And Opay is actually very reliable. So let's just continue. And another thing is there are several ways in which you can make money on your Opay, and that is why you can see on the dashboard we have different options. We have the home option, we have the reward option where you get daily reward, daily vouchers, and we also have the finance option. Let's go to finance. And as we can see, we have several investment options. We have the all wealth options, we have the target options, we have the save box, we have the fixed and spend and save. Now all wealth option actually gives you up to 15% return on investment per annum. And you know the beautiful thing is you can withdraw your money anytime. Imagine just putting money inside your Opay account and you can easily make money anytime from it. So that's the beautiful thing about Wealth. So Wealth doesn't necessarily need as a time frame for you to invest your fund, because you can take out your money anytime you want to. Then the second investment we'll be looking at is the target investment. Target investments actually allows you to save daily, weekly or monthly towards your goal. So, and one beautiful thing about target investment is that it makes it easy for you to reach your target. This is target investment, as you can see. So it makes it easy for you to reach your target. A lot of people actually do this contribution. So with target investment, you don't actually need to do any contribution again. Just invest on target investment. So now to invest on target investment, just click on target. Then you can see on target investment you can earn up to 15% return per annum as well. So now to invest, just click on create target. Then here you can see reach your financial goal with ease. How much are you aiming for? So here you put in, let's say you want to save 1 million naira. Let's say that is what you're aiming for. Then your target name, this is optional but you can fill it in. Let's say your target name is, you can just put any name. For me, I can just put my name, Kenny. Then select a category. This is actually optional but you can as well select a category for the target. Let's say you probably need the money to travel, you can just click on travel. So here is to put your starting date and the date you're ending your target investment. So now the starting date, let's say I'm leaving it, today is 20th June 2025. So let's say that's when I'm starting. Then the maturity date, let's say you plan to stop this time next year, 20th June 2026. So I want to actually do this target saving for 1 year. So the next thing is to select a saving frequency. Is it daily, is it weekly, or is it monthly? Let's say I want to be saving every week. If you want to be saving monthly, if your salary earner, just select monthly. So then the next thing is day of the month. So which day do you want Opay to be automatically deducting this money from your account? So you can choose first of the month, second of the month. Let's say your salary always comes in on the 30th, so in that regard it is better to choose like first or second. So let's say first of the month. Then you can select time. What time do you want Opay to remove this money automatically? Let's leave it at 9 p.m. Then you click on that. So you can see preferred amount to save monthly. So every month you'll be saving 83,333,000 naira on a monthly basis if you're saving every month. So which simply means this is what you'll be saving every month to achieve your 1 million naira saving in 1 year for your travel purpose. The next thing is just click on next. So once you click on next, you can see the target name Kenny, my category travel. I'm saving for 1 year, 26 June to 26 June 2026. So the frequency for my monthly payment is 83,333 every first of the month. So you can see payment method is your Opay balance. So now you can see you have to agree. I hereby agree that we forfeit the interest across on this target saving if I fail to meet the target amount. So which simply means if you do not save up to this 1 million naira before requesting for your money, then you will definitely lose the interest on it. The 15% interest, you will be losing it automatically. So once you're okay with all of these terms and conditions, just click on create target and immediately your investment starts reading. So now let's go to the second option. So the second option we'll be looking at is the save box. Save box, your daily, weekly or monthly automatic saving. So save box allow you to save daily, weekly or monthly as well. On save box you can also save any amount you want. Now let's say you want to make your first deposit. Let's say you're investing 1 million naira. Let's use 1 million naira here as well. So it simply means that now if you're investing 1 million naira, it simply means that on a daily basis you'll be making a profit of 203 naira and you'll be making a monthly profit of 6,143 naira 80 kobo, and also you'll be making yearly as your profit 78,300. So which means if you decide to invest in save box is just like your piggy bank. So if you decide to invest in your save box account 1 million naira, in a year you'll be having a profit of 78,300 naira if you invest on save box now and leave it for the next 1 year. Now another one that is so interesting is a fixed investment. Now the fixed investment allow you to fix your fund for a specific period of time. Let's say you plan saving amount. Let's say you also want to invest, you want to fix 1 million naira for 1 year. So let's say you are investing 1 million naira for 1 year. Give this plan a name. Let me give you my name again, Kenny. Then let's say I'm starting, select maturity date. Okay, let's say I'm investing for 365 days. So it simply means if I should invest for 1 year, I'll be making up to 18% return. So the other investments are giving 15%, but on fixed savings you'll be making up to 18% return yearly. Now rather than earning 70 plus on save box as interest, if you invest on fixed savings the same amount, if you lock it for 1 year, then you'll be making in total your total interest will be 106,453,000 naira. 106,453,000 naira. That's 18% of your actual investment. But the clause there is that you cannot withdraw from your lock fund. You can withdraw from the other one, from your save box account. You can withdraw before your investment elapse. You can withdraw, but for fixed investments you cannot withdraw until your investment elapse. So once you're ready, just click on payment, and that's it. Start reading immediately. Then the last one we'll be talking about is the spend and save. This is one very interesting savings I love so much. This is a really beautiful investment. So this your percentage savings every time you spend on transfer. So anytime you make any transaction on your Opay, it automatically deducts a particular percentage for you and invest it somewhere that it will be yielding profit. And the beautiful thing is that all of this money it's gonna be removing for you from any expenses you make on your Opay account, will also give you up to 15% return annually. Will give you up to 15% return annually. So now you can decide what is the percentage of the money you want to be saving every time you spend. Let's say you want to be saving 10% every time you spend. That means if you transfer 5,000 naira out to somebody, Opay will automatically keep 500 naira for you in your save and spend investment account. So if you transfer 10,000 naira out to someone, Opay will automatically keep 1,000 naira for you in your save and spend account. So it's automatically a way of helping you to get discipline with your finance. It's automatically a way of saving money, keeping your money for you. And the accumulation of this money in 1 year will actually earn you 15% return at the end of the year. So you can activate this anytime, any day. And guess what? You earn. Congratulations, your spend and save is now active. We will save 10% of the amount spent after every transfer or payment you make. Welcome to effortless savings. And the good thing is you can always turn off this anytime. You can always turn it off. You can see recent activities, spend and save set to 10%, June 2025. These are the beautiful investment opportunities we have on Opay, and you can as well explore all of these options. You can make 15 to 18% return on your Opay account. So rather than giving your money to sponsor schemes that will not last you, that will disappear anytime, at least give your money to a company that is insured by NDIC. So a company you can trust. And Opay is a bank that has proven beyond doubt that they are legit and real. Thank you so much for staying through to the end of this video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and do not forget to comment and like this video. Thank you so much. See you all in my next video. Bye for now.